So I bought a new monitor for my computer and wanted to check it out on my brother's PlayStation 5. Except for some reason, I couldn't see anything. Though I can hear sounds, so I know something is wrong with the display. I had this problem when I was setting up his monitor before so he could run 120Hz in game. We had to fix it by getting a new HDMI cable that was able to run at a higher refresh rate. So I looked online to see if there was anyone else who had this issue, yet no one had a simple answer for it. So the first option you're going to have to do is plug an HDMI 2.1 cable from the monitor you want to game with into the laptop. Then go to your display settings, scroll down to the display resolution and change it to the desired output. After that, go to the advanced display and make sure that it's on the correct monitor, and you can choose it by clicking it, and there is another option below it. If you only see 60 Hz, try changing to display to, click to choose the refresh rate drop down menu. 240 Hz should show up, and if for some reason it doesn't, most likely it could be the cable you're using. Afterwards, take the cable you plugged in from the monitor and plug it back into the PS5. You should see picture and make sure that the resolution and refresh rate is correct. Sometimes you'll have to boot into the game that supports 120Hz for it to work. One last thing, don't forget to enable the option for 120Hz in the PlayStation 5. I will be trying my best to help anyone out that has any issues down below in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you have any ideas of what I should attempt to fix next, let me know.